Hey there, welcome to another GuideForce production. I'm Lisa Dreher. Did you know that the first telescopic observation of Mars happened in 1610 by Galileo? Since then, Mars has provided a huge source of fascination for us. As plans come into place to actually take humans to Mars, there's a number of people working on some really exciting projects right here on Earth to get us ready. One of those people is Vera Mulyani. She is the president and founder of Mars City Design and the CEO, founder, and executive director of Marschitecture. She's working on building a prototype city that will act as a proving ground right here on Earth in the Mojave Desert. She shared with us a number of lessons that she's learned in the development and growth of her organization, as well as a number of other initiatives that she's been working on. Check out the story, learn all the lessons, including things like break down barriers and assumed walls, bring in experts, and create multiple revenue streams. Check out the story and learn all 5 lessons that Vera shared with us, and then be sure to follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter to gain access to new stories as they become available. Enjoy the story.